Greetings from Petaka Technologies. In this video, I am going to show you how to find earliest date using DAX function in Power BI Desktop. If you find this video first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date from all the videos from Petaka Technologies. We have three columns. In first column, we have different email date, and in second column, we have email by. Then in third column, we have subject of the email. Let's find the earliest date from email date column for each email subject and emailed by person by creating new calculated column using DAX functions. In Power BI Desktop, we can easily add a new calculated column for finding earliest date in a column. To create new column, select New Column option from toolbar. We created new calculated column and renamed column as Email Earliest Date. In this column, we will create DAX function to get earliest date in a column. Start writing the DAX function with where keyword to create variable and named that variable as email by for holding email by column value from analytics table. Then we create another variable named as email subject for holding email subject column value from analytics table. Next, we use return keyword to get the output of DAX function. Now we continue the DAX function with min-x DAX function to get minimum value from the column. Within min-x DAX function, we use filter DAX function along with all DAX function and select the table analytics. We will provide the filter condition as email by column value should be equal to email by variable value and email subject column value should be equal to email subject variable value. We select email date column from analytics table to find the earliest value in that column and close the brackets. Now new column has been created with the earliest email date for each ticket and email by person. For aligned rows, we have two different email subjects so that earliest date got vary for those fields. Let me show you clearly in table visualization. Create table visual, drag and drop email by, email subject and email earliest date from analytics table to values. Now table looks like this. In this table, we can see email by, email subject and email earliest date, and in each row we have different earliest date, and for aligned rows we have two different subjects so that we have two different earliest date. That's it. We have successfully found the earliest date using DAX functions in Power BI Desktop. Alright, what do you guys think? Do you have any questions? Do you have any comments? Have you used the formula before? I would love to know in the comments below. If it's your first time visiting Petaka Technologies channel, hit that subscribe button and activate bell icon to stay up to date from all the videos from Petaka Technologies. If this video helpful to you, then like this video and share this video with others. For Power BI online training, visit our official website petakatechnologies.com, and you can also contact us directly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.